The long-range blind spot monitoring system warns you of vehicles rapidly approaching from behind on adjacent lanes, up to a distance of around 75 meters, and the presence of a vehicle in your Peugeot's blind spots. When you are warned of the presence of a vehicle in your blind spot, a light appears in the door mirror on the side concerned. A light of fixed intensity when you are being overtaken. A light that flashes after approximately 1 second when you overtake a vehicle when your indicators are in use. The Rear Cross Traffic Alert warns you of approaching obstacles, pedestrians, cyclists, or vehicles in your Peugeot's blind spots when you engage reverse gear or when you are reversing at a speed of up to 6 miles per hour. It detects obstacles that are moving at over 2 miles per hour at a maximum distance of 40 meters. According to the version of your vehicle, the system functions as a complement to the other parking assistance functions, including 360 vision. The system can be activated or deactivated via the ADAS application on the touch screen.